With 20 years in federal prison, that's the sentence for a San Diego man who sold a deadly dose of fentanyl to a local Marine.
And now for the first time, we're hearing from the victim's father, who gave a powerful victim impact statement in court just moments ago. Our Tony Shin is at the downtown federal courthouse with the details.
According to federal prosecutors, Namir Muhammad Ata was 19 years old when he sold Marine Lance Corporal Christian Michael Reed a dozen counterfeit M30 pills on May 20th, 2020. The 26-year-old Marine believed that the pills were Percocet, a prescription painkiller. The next day, military police found Christian inside the barracks at MCAS Miramar, suffering from the effects of a fentanyl overdose, including cardiac arrest. He later died that evening. He was the only son of Mike Mancini.
When my son passed, I got the knock on that door at 6:32 in the morning. I could tell you firsthand that my life was ripped to pieces.
Fentanyl is a synthetic opioid that is 50 to 100 times more powerful than morphine. Prosecutors say Ata knew the pills contained fentanyl when he advertised them on social media, calling his pills the most trusted and the most potent in San Diego. Christian's father says he bought the painkillers from Ata because he suffered from chronic pain after a medical mishap involving a military doctor during surgery for an ear issue.
He ended up trusting somebody because they weaned him off of his medication. He was introduced to a civilian by a fellow Marine and ended up ingesting a lethal dose of fentanyl. Come to find out, 2 weeks prior, there were two other individuals that were impacted, a 17-year-old girl and an 18-year-old girl.
They survived an overdose, and both of them bought their drugs from Ata, who was sentenced in federal court to the mandatory minimum of 20 years in federal prison.
The message is clear. If you distribute fentanyl and that fentanyl results in the death of another person, or in this case, the death of a United States Marine, you will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law.
Lance Corporal Christian Michael Reed was originally from Scranton, Pennsylvania. His father says he should have gotten married, had kids, and lived a full life. But because of a counterfeit painkiller, this proud Marine will never get that chance.
It pains me as a parent to go through this. Only 2% of those who pass away from opioid-related deaths have justice. That does not sit well with me. Part of me feels guilty at the simple fact that I was able to get 20 years and get this guy off the street.
Tony Shin, Fox 5 News.